Welcome to 2020 Google Classroom and G Suite Apps for Learning. This is the Apps for Learning piece of the workshop. And if you're watching this video, congratulations on getting logged in. To complete the activities in the workshop, you're going to use everything on the classwork page. And I'll just walk you through how it's set up and how to approach each thing. So at the very top, not nestled in any of the topics, we've got two collaborative ideas. One is a collaborative Jamboard, and if you have never used Jamboard before, you'll probably really appreciate this for real collaboration with your students online. And then some ideas for the simple collaborative doc. In Docs for Learning, we have research with Google Docs, and it has a variety of features that you can access and try out in the doc. Multimedia text set, mashup docs and drawing, so it's bringing drawing and docs together. For slides, we have the collaborative jigsaw and slides for learning. So you're actually going to complete slides for learning first. And there'll be directions for each thing. And then the collaborative jigsaw. We'll take a look at flipped learning with forms. I think every day in a virtual world, you're flipping learning because it's all online. But you really need to know how to make that form quiz. So you're going to see here a video inside a form with a quiz, and then there will be a video that explains how you can make that yourself. And last but not least, in this classroom, we've got screencasting. You want to be able to screencast things just like I'm doing now and post them in your classroom so that students who are completing work when you're not there have you at their fingertips. One last thing. As you go through these, there will be an accompanied video for each product. So if you're like, what is a multimedia text set? You're going to have your own copy when you open it up that you can work through, but that might not be enough. So I've attached a video that explains what this is and how you might use it in context in your own classroom. By all means, if you have any questions at all, you can go ahead and add them to this collaborative document, which I will share with you when you get here. You can open the video and watch it. And for each assignment, I do have commenting turned on for students. So feel free to add comments in this classroom. I will do my best to answer questions. And you have my email address anyway, so you are more than welcome to contact me directly. All right, enjoy your learning. Let's get started.